안녕하세요. Welcome to Gyeong-sun's Korean class. Today we will learn the basic Korean verb conjugation, which is the polite yo form. Okay? So there are only three main rules you need to follow and you are good to go. Okay? So basically, if the verb that you are going to conjugate, for example, 가다, which is to go, okay? So you see, it ends with a. Okay, so if it ends with a or o, so we just add ayo. Okay, so basically 가다. So this is the root form. Okay, the root form it's 가다, right? So you remove the 다, so 가. Alright, we take only the 가, and we add ayo. Okay, basically ayo. Basically you need to add ayo. But since it's already a here, so we just make it 가요. We just add yo only. Okay, 가요, which means to go. Okay, and for example, 오다. 오다 means to come. Okay, so this is to go. 가다 to go. 오다 to come. Okay, so 오다. So you can see here, ends with O. So we add ayo. So O plus A. So what we get? O ayo. So it's wayo. Okay? Very simple. A or O, you just add ayo. Okay? And other vowels, we just add oyo. Okay, for example, 먹다, to eat, right? 먹다. So we remove the 다, so it's only 먹. Okay, 먹. Okay, it's other vowels, so we add o, right? So it becomes 먹어요. Okay, 먹어요, to eat. And the next one, which is the third rule here, we have 하다, to do. 하다 generally means to do. Okay, so 하다, we just become 해요. Okay, to do. Very simple, right? Please just remember these three rules and you are good to go. You can conjugate almost everything. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, here we have 가다. Okay, 가다, which is to go, right? So 가, so we remove the 다, so it becomes 가요, right? 가요. And 오다, to come, so we add a. Okay, so basically we add a, becomes 와요. Okay, 와요. 먹다, to eat, so we add, you can see it's not a, it's not o, right? So we add o, so 먹어요. Okay, and to drink, 마시다. Okay, 마시다. So you can see here, it's e. It's not a, it's not o, right? So we add, what do we add? We add o, right? So you can see here, 마시, we add o, right? So basically it should become 마시어요, right? But you can see here, this is a bit too long and we can combine them, so it becomes 마셔요. Okay, because you can see here, 시어 becomes 쇼, 마셔요. Okay, 마셔요, to drink. Okay, and the next one we have 하다, to do. So it's the third rule. 해요 just becomes 해요. And the last example we have to read, 읽다. So Okay, you can see here it's not a, it's not o. So we add o, right? So it becomes 읽어요. So the pronunciation is 읽어요. Okay? So 읽어요, which means to read. Okay? Last practice, we have number 1, 보다. Okay, 보다 means to see. Okay? So based on our rules, it's R or O? Yes, it's an O, right? So removing the 다, we take only 보, we add what? A, right? 아요. So basically, it should become 보아요. So even though it's okay to leave it 보아요, but you can see as you read it, it becomes 보아요. 보아요 becomes 보아요. Okay, this is the most common one, 보아요. Okay, and next we have 공부하다, which is to study. And now you will find the hack here. 공부하다. So as mentioned, for 하다, simply it becomes 해요. So we keep 공부 and you add 해요 to study. 공부해요, right? And 자다, which means to sleep. 자다. Okay? 자다 is similar to 가다, so it just becomes 자요. And last one, we have 만들다. Okay, to do, right? So we remove the 다. So 만들. Okay, it's not a, it's not o, right? We add o, right? 어요. So it's 만들어요. So the pronunciation is 만들어요. This is the pronunciation. Okay? So I hope it's clear for everyone, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and yeah, see you soon. 감사합니다.